Hi guys, let me show you how to scan and send PDF documents right from your WhatsApp. Let's go. So open up the WhatsApp application and select a chat where you wish to send your document. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom left and tap on document and just tap on scan document. Now position the document within the frame and it's going to be scanned automatically, or you always can tap on the shutter icon. You can retake your scan, you can keep your scan, and you can add one more page. So just once again position the document within the frame and take your photo, tap on keep scan once again, and now tap on save and it's automatically saved in the PDF format. Now just tap on the send icon and your document is sent. Hope this was helpful guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.